Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Now we're diving into premium add-ins, global variations, and presentational flair for your hot chocolate. The starting lineup, essential ingredients you need. For a truly decadent drink, focus on quality over quantity. You don't need exotic items, just high-quality basics. Milk. Use whole milk for the best results. The higher fat content creates that rich mouthfeel you expect. You can use 2% or a non-dairy alternative like oat milk, but the result will be less creamy. Quality chocolate. Use dark or semi-sweet chocolate with a cocoa percentage between 60 and 75%. Chopping a good quality bar is often better than using chips, though high-quality chips work well for convenience. Sweetener. Cane sugar, brown sugar, or maple syrup can work. Start with a small amount, you can always add more later. Salt. An often forgotten component, a tiny pinch of salt cuts through the sweetness and significantly deepens the chocolate notes. Do not skip this step. The warming process, tips for smooth, non-lumpy chocolate. Patience is key during the cooking process. Rushing the heat can scorch the milk, ruining the delicate flavor of the chocolate. Gently heat the milk. Pour the milk into a saucepan over medium-low heat. Heat it just until small bubbles start to form around the edges. Do not let it boil. Add sweetener and salt. Stir in your sweetener and that tiny pinch of salt until everything dissolves. Melt the chocolate slowly. Remove the pan from the heat. Gradually add your chopped chocolate or chips to the warm milk. Allow the pieces a moment to soften before you begin stirring. Stir constantly. Whisk the mixture gently and consistently until the chocolate is completely melted and the drink is smooth. This constant stirring prevents lumps and ensures every part is thoroughly combined. Serve immediately. Pour the mixture into mugs and prepare for immediate enjoyment. Secret ingredient boosts for deeper flavor. Ready to move past the basic preparation? A few simple additions can dramatically enhance the taste of your homemade cup. Vanilla extract. Adding a dash of vanilla extract right before serving softens the intensity of the chocolate and adds a lovely aromatic complexity. Cinnamon warmth. A pinch of cinnamon, perhaps 1/4 teaspoon per serving, provides a subtle, spiced warmth that complements the chocolate beautifully. Espresso powder. For a more intense, brooding flavor, stir in 1 teaspoon of instant coffee or espresso powder per batch. This does not make the drink taste like coffee, it simply enhances the natural richness of the chocolate. Beyond the mug, fun toppings and creative hot chocolate variations. Part of the fun of making hot chocolate at home is turning it into an experience. The right toppings and variations transform a simple drink into a celebration. Feel free to treat your mug like a canvas for culinary creativity. Dress it up, classic toppings and fun garnishes. A great hot chocolate needs some flair. The presentation improves the taste, making the whole experience more memorable. Whipped cream. Nothing beats a towering swirl of fresh, lightly sweetened whipped cream. Marshmallow choices. Use the classic mini marshmallows floating on top, or try large, fluffy homemade versions that melt slowly into the heat. Chocolate shavings. For an elegant finishing touch, use a vegetable peeler or microplane to create delicate curls of chocolate over the topping. Syrups. Drizzle a bit of caramel, peppermint, or even hazelnut syrup over the whipped cream for added flavor. Trying global flavors, spiced and specialty hot chocolates. Travel the world through your mug by experimenting with unique regional variations. Many cultures have perfected their own distinctive chocolate drinks. Mexican hot chocolate. This smoky, earthy version features warm spices. It traditionally includes cinnamon, a touch of cocoa powder, and often a very small pinch of chili powder or cayenne pepper. The heat wakes up the palate and pairs surprisingly well with the sweetness. Italian cioccolata calda. Italians favor an incredibly thick drinking chocolate that is almost pudding-like. Creating this texture usually involves adding a small amount of cornstarch or flour during the cooking process. It is often served in small cups and eaten with a spoon, offering rich, intense cocoa flavor. We have cleared up the confusion. While hot cocoa offers quick convenience, true hot chocolate delivers unmatched richness and creamy texture. You now know that using actual chopped chocolate and whole milk is the secret to a superior homemade cup. Armed with a simple recipe and a few clever flavor boosters, you are ready to create a masterpiece. Take the time the next chilly evening to make a batch for yourself or share it with loved ones. It is an easy way to turn a normal evening into a warm, delicious memory. You've seen the full spectrum. Enjoy every sip. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.